welcome back to
Skirt Squad.
And in today's video will be our next Skirt Squad challenge. And that will be
Cleaning a refrigerator in a skirt.
Yes.
Very unique one, huh? But this one is especially perfect for spring cleaning. We have some other cleaning videos too in ours, and we have like a collage or something like that of it, and on the YouTube thing of our Skirt Squad challenges. Maybe I'll just create one just for spring cleaning. So then you guys, the ladies out there who are starting to spring clean, can look at those and do it all in a skirt.
Yep.
So that's today's video. Cleaning a refrigerator in a skirt, because everybody's refrigerator always ends up getting dirty, and so that's what we decided to do for this one. So we're going to get to it right now.
There you got it. Well, you can clean a refrigerator in a skirt.
You can. So when you're doing your spring cleaning, maybe instead of doing it in pants, if you've been doing that the past few years or whatever, try doing it in a skirt this year, or a dress. It works and it's actually more comfortable. Have some classical music or your favorite music genres in the background, and just clean away.
Yeah.
Everybody loves having a clean house, and so we hope you guys do it in a skirt this year, and comment down below if you do, and if you love these type of videos, and
please like our video.
Yep.
Subscribe.
Share this, and so we can start, more people know about our channel. Yep. And so we hope you guys have a holy and blessed first Saturday, and we're able to attend Mass, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye everyone, and God bless.
Bye.